Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Everyone stay put!
This is it, my last offer.
The children now won't have their special story time. And it's all my fault.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Stop, poacher!
Pesky bird.
Why don't you give up? The mountain rescue team's after you, too!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac!
That was funny!
DJ!
I hereby dub thee.
Oh, black bitty, bam lamb. Oh, black bitty, bam lamb. Oh, black.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Hook 'em up, Mayor.
Okie dokie.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here!
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Now I've got...
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Like to try?
You've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old damn.
Absolutely, positively no idling. Are we clear?
Yes, right. No idling. Yes, sir.
Mater?
Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. I mean, come on.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Drivers like this guy?
Right. Storm achieves his top speed.
Fire!